Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Hub. In this 2026 tutorial, I'll show you how to remove bloatware from your Android device. No PC, no root, and completely safe. This method helps you free up storage, improve performance, and get rid of unwanted system apps without risking your device or voiding your warranty. If you enjoy Android tips, performance tweaks, and simple tech solutions, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. Now, let's get started. So, as you can see, I have some pre-installed apps on my Samsung mobile. These apps run in the background and make my phone slow. If I try to uninstall them, I can't. It only shows the disable option. Even if I go into app info, it does not show the uninstall option there. To uninstall these apps, first open the Play Store. Search for Shizuku. Install the Shizuku app. After the installation is complete, do not open it yet. I'll give the link in the description. Click on it and you will be redirected to this GitHub website. Over here, you have to scroll down. You will see the releases option. Click on it. Now select the latest version. Download the APK file. After the download is complete, install it. Once the Kanta app is installed, close all the apps. Now open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on About Phone. Now click on Software Information. Here you'll see build number. Tap on it 7 times. This will enable developer options. If you don't know where your phone's build number is, you can simply search it on Google. After it is enabled, go back and find developer options. Now scroll down and find USB debugging, then turn it on. Below that, you will see wireless debugging. Turn that on as well. After that, close the Settings app. Now open the Shizuku app. Here, you will see the pairing option. Click on it. Now click on Developer Options. Scroll down and click Wireless Debugging. Click on Pair with Pairing Code. Now you will see a pairing code that you have to enter in the Shizuku app. After entering the code, it will say pairing successful. Now go back to the Shizuku app. Click on the start button. You'll see at the top that Shizuku is running. Now minimize it and open the Kanta app. Here, all the apps on your mobile will be shown. You have to filter the system apps. Click on the filter button, select only system apps. Now you can select the app you want to uninstall. Click on the search button and search for your app. For example, I want to uninstall OneDrive. Click on the app. You'll see the delete button. Click on it. If it asks for permission, allow it. Now check the mark and click OK. Now the OneDrive app is successfully uninstalled from my mobile. You can see it is not shown anywhere now. Let me uninstall Netflix as well. As you can see, Netflix is also uninstalled successfully. Now, if you accidentally delete any app that you don't want to remove, don't worry, go back to the Kanta app. You will see the restore button. Kanta automatically creates a backup of the apps you uninstall, so you can easily restore them. Simply click on the app you want to restore. Click the restore button below. After a few minutes, your app will be reinstalled on your mobile. You can see my app is shown again. If this video is helpful for you, consider subscribing and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.